Most people think skipping meals is dangerous. But what if eating less often doesn't weaken your body? What if it activates systems you've never used before? When you eat all day, your body is busy processing food. When you stop eating, something very different happens. Today, I'll break down exactly what happens inside your body during a 23-hour fast, step by step, and why one focused meal might be more powerful than eating all day long.
Phase 1, right after your last meal. Hours 0 to 4. The moment you finish eating, your body switches into storage mode. Food is being broken down, sugar enters your blood, and insulin rises. Insulin's job is simple: store energy. While insulin is high, your body is not allowed to burn fat. Fat storage stores are locked. This phase feels normal. You're full, you have energy, nothing special is happening yet. Your body is just doing what it always does.
Phase 2, the craving zone. Hours 5 to 11. This is where most people quit. Blood sugar settles down, insulin drops, and your brain sends a familiar signal: hunger. That discomfort, it's not starvation, it's habit. Your body is used to constant fuel. When food stops arriving, it panics. Briefly, to keep things stable, your liver releases stored sugar, glycogen, into the bloodstream. This is backup fuel, not emergency mode. You're safe. Your body knows exactly what it's doing.
Phase 3, the switch flips. Around hour 12. Now things get interesting. Stored sugar starts running low. Insulin drops to a baseline level. This sends a powerful message to your body. Start using fat. Fat cells open. Stored energy is released. You're no longer running on yesterday's meal. You're running on your own reserves. This is the metabolic switch most people never reach. Phase 4, mental clarity and stable energy. Hours 14 to 16. Something surprising happens here. Hunger fades. Energy stabilizes. Focus improves. Why? Because fat provides a steady fuel source, unlike sugar spikes and crashes. Your liver converts fat into ketones, a clean-burning fuel your brain actually prefers. This is why many people feel sharper thinking, better concentration, calm, steady energy. From an evolutionary standpoint, this makes sense. If hunger made humans weak, our species wouldn't exist. Phase 5, deep cellular repair. Hours 17 to 19. With no food coming in, your body turns inward. Cells begin a cleanup process called autophagy, a system designed to break down damaged cell parts, remove dysfunctional proteins, and recycle old material into new building blocks. This is internal maintenance your body rarely gets to perform in a constant eating lifestyle. It's one reason people notice clearer skin, less inflammation, and improved recovery. Phase 6, muscle protection mode. Hours 20 to 22. Here's the biggest myth about fasting. Won't I lose muscle? Actually, the opposite happens. During extended fasting, growth hormone rises sharply. Growth hormone protects lean tissue and signals your body to burn fat instead. Your body is intelligent. It won't sacrifice muscle when fat stores are available. Low insulin plus high growth hormone is a rare metabolic environment, and a powerful one. Phase 7, the refeed window. Hour 23. Now your body is extremely sensitive to nutrients. Think of your cells like a dry sponge, ready to absorb. This is where people either 1. Get massive benefits, or 2. Ruin the entire process. This meal is not a reward. It's construction material. How to break the fast properly. 1. Protein first, to rebuild and repair. 2. Healthy fats, to maintain metabolic stability. 3. Mineral-rich vegetables, to replace electrolytes and micronutrients. When done right, you'll feel satisfied quickly, not stuffed. Important reality check. Jumping straight into OMAD can feel rough at first. Headaches, fatigue, or weakness usually mean electrolyte loss, not danger. A little salt and gradual adaptation make a huge difference. Ease into it. Delay breakfast,
then skip it, then shorten your eating window. Fasting is a stressor. If you're already under heavy stress, sleep deprived, pregnant, nursing, or on medication, don't do this without medical guidance.
Closing. We live in a world that treats hunger like an emergency, but hunger isn't an enemy, it's a signal. OMAD isn't about punishment. It's about giving your body time to repair, reset, and operate the way it was designed to. You're not depriving yourself. You're reclaiming control. If you try this, tell me, did you struggle early or feel the clarity later? See you in the next one.